What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. Like I said, before I start this video, don't forget to follow me on that Snap. That's gonna be on the screen right here somewhere. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, also gonna be down here also. Like I said, I want to connect with y'all, so like I said, I'll start posting more once y'all start subscribing, because like I said, you never know, something could happen to this platform and then I won't be able to be connected with y'all because we'll be lost. But anyways, this video is about an app called Future Points. Some of you heard of it, some of you have. I mean, some of you heard of it, some of you haven't. Sorry about that. But let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let it load up real quick. Like I said, whoever has this, I hope y'all still grinding on this. This is one of my favorite apps. If anything, top 3. You know what I mean? I had this app for like a little over a year. But all you doing, for people that don't know about this app, you know what I mean, is you downloading apps. I'm gonna show you an example. I'm gonna just press this one right here. You're downloading it, as you can see, for 2 minutes right here. You download the app, you use it for 2 minutes, and then after you use it for 2 minutes, you should get a notification. Let me open it up from the Apple Store. You should get a notification saying whatever amount of points you just saw, I think it was 49, that you got the 49 points. Sometimes it take a little bit longer. Let me get this right now. Sometimes it take a little bit longer, so you gotta bear with it. I usually, if I don't see it within 2 minutes, I play for at least 4 minutes. And after 4 minutes, like I said, it usually goes into pending. You know what I'm saying? So you know when you play more than 2 minutes worth. And like I said, you move on to the next one. If you like the app, you keep it. If you don't, you just, delete it. It's that simple. Like I said, man. And so that's how you get most of your points. But I'm gonna give you a prime example as this loads right here. That's asking me for my password. So let me put in my password. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I forgot my password. I changed it the other day. Not the other day, maybe like a month ago. So I don't really download apps on here, because I already got all the apps I want, use it on my phone. So I forgot it, but y'all get the point. Like I said, I can't remember right now. I'm not gonna reset it right now. So like I said, I'm gonna go right back to Future Points. Hold on 1 second. Go right back to Future Points. Let that load back up. See, I basically get the concept of Future Points. All you're doing is downloading the apps, as I showed you right here. You know what I mean? You download the apps, you get your points for 2 minutes, and then you move on to the next one. Like I said, do all the apps until there ain't no more apps. Once there's no more apps, you have surveys that you got right here. You can get up to 4,000 with the Tap and Research, Peanut Labs, up to it's not that you're going to get 1,500. You can get up to by doing that. Like I said, you're not going to get all the surveys. You know what I mean? And you can get up to 1,000 with Polefish. So let me move on to the next. You can make testimonies. You can make a testimonial for 300. Share your video for 50%. You know what I mean? You can share on Facebook. I mean, you can like them on Facebook, like on Twitter, and subscribe to their YouTube channel, and you'll get 5 points. So that's other ways that you can earn on here. Let me move on to the next. Let me earn more. Press the wrong thing. You go to earn more right here in the bottom. This is my code right here. YDDF33. The link will be in the description below, so click that so you can get free 50 points. So like I said, if you don't want to start off on 0, you go to my description. You don't have to go outside your outside this video. Go to the description, click the link. It's gonna take you right there to your Play Store, Apple Store, depending on what phone you got. You're gonna download it. You're gonna put this code right here, and you're gonna start with 50 points. So you don't start off with 0. It's better than starting with 0. You want to start off with 0, that's on you. But like I said, put in the points. You don't start off with 0. You start off with 50, and you keep going forward. But like I said, this is where you can share it. Also, you can share it right here on Facebook, Twitter. I don't know what this middle thing is. I think it's Reddit or something like that. Through text and through your Facebook inbox, as you can see right there. And also, you can share the video right here also with your code on these places too. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I'm not gonna hold you up for too long, but these are this is my referral code right here. And let's go to the rewards. All right, the rewards is right here. Oh, they got Bitcoin now. For all the people that's into the Bitcoin, I didn't even know they had Bitcoin on here. So if you're into Bitcoin, I'm gonna click it anyway since it's something new. Like I said, I'm not really into Bitcoin like that, so Like I said, let me just show y'all for people that's into the Bitcoin. For $1, you get you know what I'm saying, you gotta have 600. For $3 worth for $3 you get 1,800 Bitcoins. For $5 you get 3,000, and for $10 you get 6,000 Bitcoins. Like I said, I'm not into Bitcoin, so I don't really know how much it works. I haven't researched it like that. So because I'm doing what I'm doing, so I want to stick to what I'm doing and mastering what I'm doing instead of jumping from, you know, from business to business like a lot of people's doing. I ain't knocking it. If you could kill it and you know what you're doing, then do it. But I'm not doing it, like I said. So, you know, they got Bitcoin now. So you got Amazon, the usual, you know, FIFA, if you're into that. Starbucks, I use it from time to time. Like I said, I was just in Starbucks yesterday. Best Buy, I usually use it. At PlayStation, well, that's Pokemon. You know, they got a lot of stuff in here, the basics. You know what I mean? They got Google Play Store or whatnot. They got all the basics on here. The usual that a lot of these apps have. I'm a PayPal type of dude. So, like I said, right now I have 15,000. Let's say 15,000 points right now. So, you know, the goal is to get 1,000, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta keep grinding. $3. For $3, I mean, for 1,800 points, you get $3. For 3,000 points, you get $5. For 6,000 points, you get $10. For 15,000 points, you get $25. For 30,000 points, you get $50. For 60,000, you get $100. For 120,000, you get $200. For 300,000, you get $500. Sorry about that. And for last not least, the goal that we all want to hit, 600,000 points, you get 1,000. It's doable. If you grind, like I said, you will get it. It's all about not quitting. If you quit, you're never gonna know if you can ever hit that. So that's why you got to keep going. Like I said, but right now I got 15,000 points, which equals $25. So I'm going to cash out. So let me press get reward. All right, you ready to buy? You have 100 points left after claiming this reward. Confirm purchase. So I'm going to confirm the purchase. As you can see right here live, the reward is ready to claim. You'll receive an email from your PayPal, yada, yada, yada. All right, continue. So I'm going to go check my email to see if I got the email from them. I got to switch phones, like I said, you know what I'm saying, because the email's on the phone I'm filming, so I'm going to switch phone and record from my other iPhone. Like I said, I will be recording from my other camera soon, but I'm just testing it out. Just got SIM cards for them and see which one is best for the, you know, for vlogging or whatever. But let me switch phones and go so I can check my email to see if this payment landed in my email and my PayPal. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. All I did was switch my phone. This was instant. It was an instant payment from Future Points, as you can see right here. I'm gonna click in it. So as you can see, the payment was from Future Points. SgmCashoutKing Corp, 25 cents from Future Points. They go to transaction ID. Today is January 21st. So let me click out so I can show you that today's date is the 21st. Give me 1 second. Yeah. You can see right there is January 21st. So, like I said, they go to payment again. So you can see right there, SgmCashoutKing Corp, which is Future Points. Thank you for using Future Points. They go to date, the transaction ID right there. So, if you've been subscribed to me for a while, you already know my routine. You gotta hit that PayPal, that Pay Peasy, so y'all can see the more the proof, the official proof. So I ask to borrow my finger right there. Let that load up real quick. See activity. Cha-ching! And there it is. SgmCashoutKing Corp. You can see $25 right there. Like I said. So it's that simple, that easy, like the way I just showed you on there. And like I said, man, like I said in my other videos I posted yesterday, sometimes people, oh, you know, I only made $5, you know what I'm saying? I want to make more. You gotta keep grinding. Let me show you something. Let me show you something right here. For example, I went to the store and got me some coffee. I ain't paid for it. That's the, you know, that's from one of the apps. I went to the store again, look, $5. I think I bought something to eat. The point is, I could go to the store multiple times and buy stuff to eat for free. Just for, even if I got $5 off the app, I didn't pay for it. If you could do that, duplicate that every day, you eat for free. Or you could do 20 a week or whatever it is. Like I said, the goal is to get higher. But like I said, don't ever be discouraged that you got a small payment. A small payment is better than nothing. That's something that you ain't have to pay. Like I said, that's what I learned, and that's why I keep applying to it. You know what I mean? Don't ever get discouraged because of that. You know what I'm saying? But if you keep grinding, the payments will get higher. Like I said, sometimes they get low, you know, and they go back high. Just take what you can, keep grinding. That's the key, is just keep grinding. You know what I mean? But anyways, don't forget to follow me on that Snap. Once again, it will be under here somewhere on the screen. You know what I'm saying? Down here somewhere. And the same thing with the Instagram. I want to connect with more of y'all. Like I said, I want to try to elevate, you know what I'm saying, and expand your mind, you know what I'm saying? Get your mindset somewhere else besides the apps only, you know what I'm saying? So I know some of y'all might not be old enough, but you got to expand, man. Like I said, I ain't working, you know what I'm saying? I could travel and do things. I'm actually planning a trip to Atlanta for next month, and after that, Vegas, and after that, I guess, wherever I'm going to go. But for right now, those are my targets right now. But at the point I'm able to do that, get up and go whenever I want. I don't have to listen to no boss. The best part of waking up is like I ain't got to go to work, and I could do what I want. I'm always getting money. So, like I said, I know it's not about creating a living. It's about creating a lifestyle. So that's what these people want you to go to school and do the same thing and repeat. Like I said, it's not even about that. You got to free your mind and, you know, take risks at times. Like I said, you ain't got nothing to lose right now. We wasn't born with a silver spoon in our mouth. It's just this time to take risks. You know what I mean? But anyways, like I said, connect with me through Instagram and Snapchat, and the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.